Hello everyone. In this video we have this nice exponential equation. We have 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 27 to the power x. And we have to find all the possible solutions to this problem. But before we begin, if you are new here, please do me the biggest favor by subscribing to this channel. There's no charges to that and you can change your mind at any time. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Now let's get started. So first of all, I will simplify this. We have 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power 2 x is equal to 3 to the power 3 x. Alright, so here if you have a to the power m n, this is the same as a to the power n m. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite this in this form. So we have 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x 2 is equal to 3 to the power x 3. Okay, so now I'm going to say that let y equals 3 to the power x, where y is positive. Okay, so we are going to consider the case where y is positive only. Alright, so here we have y plus y to the power 2 is equal to y to the power 3. Okay, so now let's equate everything to 0. So we have y to the power 3 minus y to the power 2 minus y is equal to 0. So from here I can factor y out. So we have y into y to the power 2 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Alright, so we can say that y is equal to 0 or y to the power 2 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so now let's consider this whole equation. So we have y to the power 2 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's compare this equation to the general quadratic equation. We have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is never equal to 0. So here we can simply say that x is equal to y. So now let's compare the coefficients. We have a equals 1, b equals -1, then c equals -1. And then the main general quadratic equation, which is x equals y in this case, which is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we have y equals minus b, where b is -1, then plus or minus, we have the square root of b is -1, so we have -1 squared minus 4 into a, where a is 1, then times c, where c is -1. Alright, all divided by 2 into 1. Okay, so now let's go ahead and then simplify this. So we have y equals -1 times -1 is 1, plus or minus the square root of 1 squared is 1, then -4 times 1 is -4, times -1, which is +4. So we have here to be 5 all over 2. So from here we can say that y is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 on 2, or y is equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 on 2. Now this is the same as -0.618, and then this is also the same as 1.618. Okay, now so since this one is negative, we are not going to consider that because we already said that we are considering the case where y is positive. Alright, okay, so we have y is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 on 2. But we said that y is equal to 3 to the power x. So now we have 3 to the power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 on 2. Now let's take log on both sides. So we have the log of 3 to the power x is equal to the log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we have x log 3 is equal to the log of 1 plus square root of 5 on 2. Alright, so here we can divide each side by log 3, so we have x is equal to the log of 1 plus square root of 5 on 2, all divided by log 3. And this could also be written as x is equal to the log base 3 1 plus 5 on 2. So guys, this is our final answer. X is equal to log base 3 1 plus square root of 5 on 2. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again in the next video.